All right. Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Bow Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to connect your Apple device to your Chevrolet product, Silverado, Traverse, anything. All the same process here. So obviously you want to be in your vehicle and have it on or the accessories on. And then from there you do want to go to phone. You'll see it right there. And obviously you do want to have your iPhone. You want to quickly just log in, settings, go to Bluetooth and turn that on. Alright, so you have your Bluetooth there. And now you want to obviously connect a phone. And we do want to add a phone. And it says My Chevrolet. And then once that comes up, you'll look on your Apple device and you see My Chevrolet. Click on that. Now it shows the code, which should match to your phone. Obviously that match, so that means you do have the right vehicle, and you need to click pair on both the vehicle and your Apple device, and then boom, there you go, my iPhone connected to the truck here for this demonstration. It's going to ask you if you want to sync your contacts to the truck. No thank you. So there, boom, your phone's connected via Bluetooth. Now if you ever need to take the phone off Bluetooth, you can just disconnect. You want to disconnect? Yes, please. But then the phone is disconnected from the truck, but is not fully disconnected. If you can turn it back on. But if you want to delete the phone altogether, you just go to edit again, and you want to forget the phone. Forget phone. My phone forgotten. There you go. No more phone on the truck. If you have any questions about your GM product, not just Chevy, but Buick, GMC, or Cadillac, please give us a call here at GSL. We'd be happy to help you out. Have a good day.